I'm Urinating Tree, and I approve this message. There's been a lot of talk about potentially abolishing the police in Minneapolis. But what if I were to tell you that those people are not the most offensive in your city? What if I were to take you on a journey of systemic ineptitude so vast it will take 16 years to cover it all? There's only one thing I have to do before we get started. You'll get that back when you win a playoff game for once. My proposal to you is swift and decisive. Abolish the twins. They are full of bloat. They discriminate against all things wholesome come October. They refuse to combat, let alone acknowledge asterisk supremacy. Their illustrious Bomba Squad? 2 runs in 18 innings? This isn't simply missing the bringer of rain. If there's a hostage crisis, would you trust these men to save your children? No, my friends. Rocco Baldelli has refused to lead. He allows Houston to become emboldened. They had an opportunity to disavow and crush fringe elements in the league, and they have not only failed, they have set new records for it. 18 consecutive playoff losses. They have officially set the record in the 4 major sports. I believe in climate change. We must change the sports climate in Minneapolis. As your president, I will pass laws to make sure they are banished from the playoffs until significant reform is done. Why the blatant discrimination against these elements? Because fuck you. Fucking Tins. This wasn't even to the Yankees.